Hello everyone, welcome to Master Azerbaijani Word of the Day. Today's word is a fun one. Let's see. ga-dan alım. Ga-dan-a-lım. ga-dan alım can mean, my dear, sweetie, not the way you think. Let's see some phrases. Good morning, my dear. Thanks, sweetie. Sabahın xeyir, ga-dan alım. Sağ ol, ga-dan alım. You will not hear this from your spouse's partners. This is something you would hear from your grandparents, aunties. All right, let's see some sentences. Sabahın xeyir, ga-dan alım. Günün uğurlu olsun. Good morning, my dear. Have a successful day. So in this case, ga-dan alım is technically means, may I take your negativity. That's why you would hear from those aunties and grandparents. Let's see another sentence. ga-dan alım, narahat olma, her şey düzələcək. Oh, you poor thing. Don't worry, everything will get better. Narahat olma, don't worry. Her şey düzələcək, everything will get better. All right, that was today's word. Make sure you use it in some fun ways like this. If you got your ga-dan alım from her, there must be something wrong with her product. That's for those cases in Bazaar when those ladies try to sell you something. You will hear it all the time from them. Make sure to pay attention because something might be wrong with her product. Jokes aside, thanks for watching. Make sure to check masterazerbaijan.com for more. I'll see you tomorrow for another word.